If you're experiencing billing issues with DoorDash, follow these steps to resolve them efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process to ensure your concerns are addressed. Step 1. Review your order history. Check your DoorDash account for any recent orders. Make sure to verify the charges and identify any discrepancies in billing. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant information such as receipts, bank statements, and screenshots of the charges. This documentation will support your case when contacting customer service. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to DoorDash's customer support through the app or website. Use the help section to find the option for billing issues and submit your inquiry with the details you've gathered. Step 4. Follow up. If you don't receive a response within a few days, follow up on your inquiry. You can do this through the same customer support channels or by checking your email for updates. Step 5. Escalate if necessary. If the issue remains unresolved after following up, consider escalating the matter. You can request to speak to a supervisor or use social media platforms to get attention on your billing problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any billing issues with DoorDash effectively. Don't hesitate to reach out for help if needed.